Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Wow. Scope to 2. This is the elevator here at the Architecture Building in Savannah, Georgia. Look at this. I found an original Otis Black Button. Wow. Let's go down to... Listen. Listen to the relay. Wow, that is epic. Let's get a view of the cab. There's mirrors in here. Oh my God, this is a beauty. Hi. Look at that light fixture. This thing is totally original. I think the cab may be redone, but it remains otherwise totally original from like the 40s would be my best guess. And it's got a rubber bumper. Look at this. Look at that call station. Once you close up. Otis Cito. Alright. And we'll go, look at this. Look at this. It's got a bumper. No indicator. Look at this. Bakelite Black Buttons. There's your interlock. Listen. Oh wow, you can actually get a view of it traveling through the shaft through here. That is cool. If I can show that. Look, you can watch the floors go by here through this crack. It's a little slow, but who cares? This thing's a treasure. It's just like a little office building. And it left me. Alright, we're gonna end the video on 1. Here's your non-ADA phone. Obviously was maintained by Atlantic Coast. It hasn't been inspected in 2 years now, but who cares? This thing's a beauty. And it runs like it's brand new nonetheless. And there's your call station with the in-use light on. And anyways, there it goes. And that is going to be it.